When I first installed my gate, the door opened freely and easily. There was plenty of clearance between the gate and the ground. But now it looks like the left side by the latch has sunk a little bit, and I really have to lift up to get it to clear the ground and then open. So apparently this is a pretty common thing, because there's actually a kit to fix this. It's called an anti-sag gate kit. And it basically runs a cable from up here to down here. I think this was under $15 at Home Depot, and that's what I'm going to be installing here. First thing you do is position these in the corners and mark the holes with a pencil. This actually fits over the corner, so the wood itself helps hold the tension, not just the screws. Pre-drill with a 7/64 bit. Next, I'm supposed to extend the turnbuckle all the way. Next, I'm going to screw in the bracket. Stick the turnbuckle on there. And then I'll screw in the bottom bracket. Okay, next I'm going to run the wire through the bottom bracket. Maybe this would have been easier if I had done this before tightening it. The cable clamp consists of these two pieces and a carriage bolt, which is nice because it has a square part at the end, so you really only have to tighten it from one side. This square and this side of the bracket holds the bolt in place. Lock washer, then the nut on this side, how it clamps. I'm going to tighten this down just a little bit so it doesn't pop out. Alright, now we're going to do the top side. So through the turnbuckle hook and then install this other clamp. Now I'm going to pull this one tighter so that I can get it as tight as possible so that the turnbuckle doesn't have to do as much tightening. Finally, it's time to tighten the turnbuckle. So it's pretty loose. Well, I can feel it getting a lot tighter. Switch to another tool here. I'm wondering if I'll have to come back in a few days and tighten it a little bit more. Oh wow, it's already off the, at least off some of the pads. Okay, I still have a fair amount of room to go on my turnbuckle. Let's see if this is good enough. Oh wow, it lifted it up so my latch is, it's pushing up on my latch now. Wow. Totally clear. Now it looks like the bottom is getting pulled in and the top pulled out a little, but I suspect that might have to do with other installation issues. Despite that little visual crookedness, it seems to work fine.